few years ago, I fell down the rabbit hole of AI video editing. Suddenly, what used to take me 3 hours was just done in 5 minutes. I'd cut my working time by 90%, but instead of feeling like I'd won, I felt like a fraud. I had a massive surge of free time, but it was filled with guilt. I felt ashamed that I barely worked a full week. I was terrified that because I wasn't suffering for my paycheck, I hadn't actually earned my life. I'm unlearning the lie that I have to be exhausted to be productive. Growth doesn't have to be a battle, and I don't want to be a martyr to be a professional. Welcome to the second version. I'm choosing to believe that I've earned my time, that extra hours aren't a privilege I should be afraid of losing. They're a resource I've worked for. Mastery isn't about how much you've bled for the win. You aren't being paid for the 10 minutes of clicking. You're being paid for the years it took you to learn how to do it that fast. I am finally going to start using my time to live instead of using it to worry. Claim your time. Follow for episode 25.